When you begin on the main appearances page, you'll see a complete list of all available appearance types. These types are structured as a combination of two elements, a category and a type, separated by a dash. For instance, if we look at the first item, client meetings represents the category, while initial consultation is the type associated with it. These appearance types are fully manageable through the admin section. This is where you can add new entries or make edits to existing ones. To access this area, click on Admin and then navigate to Appearance Types. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll find a list of categories. Using the earlier example, client meetings is one of these categories. If you click a row in this list, an edit link will appear. Clicking this link allows you to edit or remove the selected category. When you select a category, such as client meetings, the right-hand side of the page displays all the types associated with it. For example, under client meetings, you might see types like initial consultation or follow-up meeting. Clicking on any of these types will present you with an edit link, similar to the one for categories. This link is used to make changes or remove the selected appearance type. To add a new category, click on the plus button. Simply enter the name of your new category and hit Save. Once the category has been added, you can proceed to add types under it. To do this, click the plus button next to Appeal Hearing Types, or the relevant category. Enter the name of the type you want to create and click Save to finalize it. Managing appearance types is straightforward, yet it plays a crucial role in organizing and maintaining your cases effectively. By keeping your categories and types well-structured, you'll ensure smoother case management and improved efficiency in your workflows.